Wagyu beef. Wagyu Flap meat. Australian Wagyu grade 9 plus. This is what it looked like when we pulled it out of the package. Flap meat's not a very commonly known name, but it is a very delicious part of the animal. Wagyu beef is going to give us the highest amount of marbling content for the best flavor. That intermuscular marbling is beautiful. Now it's time to cook it up. We're going to do hot cast iron here, 2 minutes aside. After 2 minutes, see the moisture just starting to come up. That's when you know it's time to flip. Look how tender that is. Perfectly cooked. Wagyu Flap meat. Marbling score 9 plus. Pure breed Australian Wagyu.